I remember we used to keep fast when we were a child, and it has been told since our childhood that you should not eat anything while you are on fast. And why you have to keep this fast? Because you have to ask something, you need something from God, and to convince God you will have to keep a fast for an entire day. Some people keep it for even twice in a week, but I remember I used to keep fast on Thursday, and this is just to convince a God, Sai Baba. Because of Sai Baba I used to for Sai Baba I used to keep fast on Thursday. But guys, let me tell you my perspective as I grow in my life. One thing as I understood that these are all beliefs. This is my perspective. I'm not forcing you to change your belief or change your perspective about the fast or whether you believe in God or not. I'm not touching that point, because for me, when I grow, I understood that you will have to do your thing yourself. You don't have to depend on anybody, let it be a God. And I stopped keeping fast on Thursdays. Guys, I'm again telling you, this is my perspective, and I'm not forcing you to believe in my thought or believe in my belief. Your belief may be different. So the topic is what we should ask from the God. My perspective is different. I am asking you, or I am telling you why we should ask from the God. So this is my perspective. According to me, we should not ask anything from God, because whatever you want to do at yourself. It is not just the case if you ask from the God and God will give you and then you can do. No. Even I used to pray God that God give me this, that and everything. Let me ask you, if you did this, have you got everything? Have you got whatever you ask from the God? I'm sure no. Yes, definitely you would have got that which you follow or you chase with your true spirit. So this is my perspective. I should not ask anything from God, because I don't believe in asking from God. Yes, I have a trust, I have a belief in God. I can tell, yes God, thank you very much whatever you have given me. Thank you very much. Give me strength. Give me that strength so that I can get everything what I wanted, but not from God. Tomorrow I have seen people worship God because they need they need good job, they need good house, they need very abundant money. Yes, of course, people, 90% of the people you believe must be asking enough money to survive from a God. But do you really think God is giving you money? So my perspective is that we should not ask anything from God. The topic is that what we should ask from the God. Guys, first of all, I have a belief that we should not ask anything from God. But if you are saying that one thing, if you are asking me one thing which I should ask from the God, is that give me a power to do a lot of hard work, God. If you are really there, if people believe that, and you are fulfilling the wish of people, to give that strength, give that courage to do more hard work, so that they can achieve what they wanted to achieve in their life. So asking from God is not an option. It's maybe a wrong belief, and I don't want to spread a wrong belief. Again and again in this video, I am just telling you, this is my perspective about the God and about asking from the God, and I am not forcing you to change your belief, change your thought about the God. You are free to follow your thoughts. So I'll always think, Vishal, if you really want to be successful in your life, do hard work, do smart work rather than hard work. But just not beg. Whatever you want to get, whatever you want to have in your life, don't beg in front of God. Yes, you can just join the hand and pray the God that God, whatever you have given me, you have given me with abundance. And the way I am performing today, the way I am living my life today is because of you. But I don't believe that every time you stand in front of God and asking God, please give me this and that. No. So I don't believe in that. So the topic is that what should we ask from the God? My perspective is that you should not ask anything from the God. Rather, you have to do a smart work and hard work and achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. This is Vishal More signing out until we meet next. Thank you.